important everywhere because we are losing it, and we are losing it at a much faster pace than anywhere else in another time scale. In Oman especially, or in the Middle East especially, with the introduction of new varieties, the old strains are disappearing, and I think it's extremely important that we keep track of what we have, what we had, and not only to keep track, but perhaps even to revive some of these old varieties.
So we are working on this, and luckily we are working in one of the documentation system called GRIN-Global, and GRIN-Global, though it's based for crops and plant species, but I think it could be applied for other kingdoms of organisms.
And having a national biodiversity database is going to benefit everybody. Sharing such information would let us know more about the distribution of particular species. GRIN-Global is something that would enable all organizations to feed and input their data into the system, and will allow everybody to share such information.
These tools that we've discussed in this training, and the tool that we have, will enable us to be able to share this data not only locally within the academic community, but we are hoping that we can share this data with other both commercial and academic facilities around the world.
There is no national database. Everybody has their own database in an institution for their own purposes. So the concept of this training was to bring all the different stakeholders to see, get a feel of the GRIN-Global database, and kind of come up to a decision as to whether this database would meet the needs of the center, the Genetic Resource Center, as well as the different stakeholders. I was very happy with the outcome, that everybody felt the cooperation was important and needed, and willingness to share information. I think it's a great achievement, and we look forward to taking the next step, which is establishing the database in the Animal and Plant Genetic Resources Center in collaboration with all the different stakeholders in Oman.